A couple of things. The first is almost always when disruption occurs, because by definition it enables a larger population of people with less money to do things that previously were out of their reach. It grows the markets. And so it bothers people that disruption is beginning in medicine, because you're bringing technology to nurse practitioners so they can do things that historically the doctor did. And, but in all likelihood, we will actually consume more healthcare by making it affordable and accessible. And that's actually a good thing, as we choose to do that. And we see in our world the consumption of management education is just booming outside of the business schools, because now it's available for plain old ordinary people to get remarkable stuff. And so they're consuming more healthcare or higher ed, business education, even though the business schools themselves are on a steep decline. And so I never had thought about it before, that actually enabling the kind of things that you're talking about actually will create the opportunity to consume more, or the law. And I never thought about that, but I'd love to talk about that with. The other one is, go back to my first diagram of concentric circles. When you bring technology to the people at the periphery, the technology doesn't ever go back to the core. But what happens is the technology gets good enough so that, figuratively, you can start to do on a personal computer things that required historically a mini computer or a mainframe. And the applications are sucked out of the core to the disruptive tier. The technology doesn't go the other way. And one of the reasons why it sucks the applications from the core into the periphery is the technology enables the provider there to do ever more sophisticated things. And because it becomes more modular and rules-based, the quality actually improves as you come out to the core. And I think you began seeing this. Last one is, as the applications are pulled out of the core to the periphery, and what you now have is providers who are lower in cost, and they are capable because of the technology, not because they're emulating the people in the core. The trade-off between quality and cost gets broken. And now you can have higher quality healthcare provided by nurse practitioners because the technology makes it more standardized, rules-based, and so on. And so those of us in the core who want to try to stay there because the quality on the periphery is not as good as what we can provide, and the trade-off gets broken. That accelerates. And the quality, the way we measure quality almost always is different when it pulls out. So in the mainframe, the way you measured quality was MIPS per second or whatever. And you don't measure the quality of a smartphone by the same metric. And so we'll find that the quality of law, we define it differently in the future than we did in the past.
In the problem is, in the past, we never really defined what quality was except by inputs, not by outputs.
Interesting. That's a big idea, actually.
To be continued. I think that I promised Professor